If you want to distort text, you start with your text, whether it's a line or several lines, and Aspire doesn't have a good way of formatting text. You have to manually format it. In other words, you would type a little bit, hit enter, type the next line, hit enter, etc. There's no good paragraph format. So you get your text looking as close to how you want it, and then you close out your text tool. Then you go to the Distort icon. We're going to click Distort, and what we're going to be using is a bounding box, and it's all the text is highlighted. So I'm going to say bounding box apply, and when you apply, you get these lines around your text, and on each one of these you have to right click to bezier. I'm going to do the top and the bottom to bezier, so you right click on it to bezier. I'm going to do an arc on this side, so I'm going to right click to arc, and you can change your arc just by sliding on it. This one is a line. So when we want to create a distortion, if you have a curve, what you would do was match this dotted line to whatever you're trying to distort to, and the bottom does the same way. You just move your sliders or handles along and make that thing distorted as you can. And since I've already changed this to an arc, I can move it in or out, and you distort your text. And that's all you have to do to it, but you also have to close.